Are you ready to add a cinematic touch to your videos with CapCut? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create that eye-catching effect where your subject stays colorful, but the background turns strikingly black and white. By the end, you'll have a powerful editing technique that gives your videos a professional, high-contrast look, perfect for vlogs, music videos, product showcases, or just to wow your audience. Let's jump right in. We're working on CapCut for PC today because it gives you the most precision and control. The first thing you want to do is add your video clip to the timeline. Simply drag and drop it in. Think of the timeline like your editing workspace, where you'll build up the layers for this effect. Once your clip's in place, the next step is to duplicate it. This means making an exact copy of your video so you have two identical clips stacked on top of each other. On CapCut, it's as easy as clicking on your video track, pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on a Mac to copy, and then Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. You'll now see your original clip and just above it a second copy. Why do we do this? Well, we're about to edit each layer in a different way, so duplicating is key for isolating the effects. Now let's focus on turning the background black and white. Select the bottom layer, that's the original clip on the lower track. Over on the top right panel, click into the Adjustment tab. Here you'll find the saturation slider. Drag this all the way to the left to -100. What's happening here is you're removing all color from the bottom layer, making it pure black and white. Take a moment, notice how the whole scene looks monochrome now. But don't worry, we're about to bring the subject's color back. Switch to the top layer, the duplicate clip above. In the right side panel, find the Video tab and just beneath it, the Cutout sub-tab. CapCut has a really handy feature called Auto Cutout. When you check this box, CapCut automatically detects the main subject in your video and removes the background. Not perfectly always, but impressively well for most footage. The software uses AI to select your subject, so you don't need to painstakingly draw around them. If your subject has clear separation from the background, this step works wonders. If not, don't worry if it takes a moment or if you get some rough edges, you can go back and tweak later. Now for the magic moment. As you play back your timeline, you'll see the colorful subject from the top layer, perfectly sitting on the black and white background from the bottom layer. It's a dramatic effect that instantly draws eyes to your subject, like turning a spotlight on in a room of shadows. This method is fantastic for making products pop, emphasizing people in interviews, or highlighting movement and emotion. And there you have it, CapCut makes this advanced effect super achievable. Give it a try with different clips, and see how the mood of your video can change with just a few sliders and checkboxes. If something looks off, like the auto cutout isn't perfect, don't stress. It's totally normal to need a few tweaks, and CapCut gives you options to refine the cutout further if you want. I hope this tutorial gave you a fresh editing trick to level up your videos. If you found it helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any bumps. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss easy, powerful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.